Hi, I'm Jill and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. The tongue twister I have for you today is keenly cleaning copper kettles. You have to say this 3 times as fast as you can. Keenly cleaning copper kettles, keenly cleaning copper kettles, keenly cleaning copper kettles. So it's just 4 words and each word starts with the sound k. So keenly cleaning copper kettles. Put it all together. Keenly cleaning copper kettles. Now, you try. How did you go? Could you say the tongue twister? Don't worry if you can't, it just takes practice. And you can get this practice in Jill's English pronunciation gym, right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. There are tongue twisters, limericks, phonetic sounds and more. So just a few minutes practice each day will help to strengthen your English muscles and so improve your English pronunciation. So head over to Jill's gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.